Alright, simply go to your browser and look for GitHub Cluepo. Then get inside this GitHub and click the repositories. Hit DIY Excel accounting system and you will see the accounting base file. Simply hit download and save the file. Now you can open up the file in your download folder. Simply Ctrl X to cut the file to wherever you want. Here I'm just saving it to my D drive. You may have your own preferred location. In your drive, simply click the white space and hit Ctrl V to paste the base file. I have the file already, so I just replace it. Once you get it in your drive, double-click to open it. Then you'll see Enable Editing on top of the worksheet. You need to enable it before our DIY. We have 3 simple tabs to begin with, and now let me switch from the bank to the income interface. This is the look of a basic income interface. Switch to expense and you'll see similar interface there. So we are ready to DIY our accounting system.